Imagine pulling up to your home and the curb appeal alone stops people in their tracks. Not because it cost a fortune, not because some celebrity architect designed it, but because every single detail of that facade was chosen with intention. The roofline, the material mix, the color, the windows, the way light hits the front of that house at golden hour. That is what we are unpacking in today's video, and I promise you, whether you are building from scratch, planning a renovation, or simply dreaming right now, you will walk away from this video with a completely fresh perspective on what a two-story modern American home exterior can look like in 2026. We are covering the biggest facade inspirations of the year, the materials homeowners are choosing, the color palettes redefining curb appeal right now, the architectural details that separate a basic box from a genuinely beautiful home. And I am going to show you how these ideas can actually work at different budget levels, because good design does not have to be expensive design. Before we go any further, if you are new here, this channel is where we break down home design the honest way, no fluff, no clickbait, just real ideas you can actually use. Hit that subscribe button right now and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video like this one. And stay with me till the end of this video, because the last section covers the one facade detail most homeowners completely overlook, and it is honestly the one that makes the biggest visual difference. Why the facade matters more than ever. In 2026, the facade is your home's first conversation. The exterior of your home is not just a shell. It is the first statement your house makes before anyone walks through the door. And in 2026, that statement has become more deliberate, more curated, and more personal than it has been in years. We are seeing a real shift away from builder-grade sameness toward homeowners who genuinely care about what their house communicates visually. Part of this is driven by the market. Home values in the United States are still high, and curb appeal has a measurable impact on resale. Studies have consistently shown that strong exterior design can add between 5 and 10% to a home's perceived value. But beyond resale, people are spending more time at home than ever, and they want a space that reflects who they are from the outside in. For the two-story modern home specifically, the facade carries a unique responsibility. You have height, you have volume, you have multiple planes of wall and roof that all need to work together when it is done well. A two-story modern exterior is one of the most impressive sights in residential architecture. When it is done without intention, it can look like a stack of boxes. The difference is almost always in the design decisions we are about to walk through. The dominant facade styles in 2026, what American homeowners are building right now. The modern farmhouse remains the most popular residential style in America. It accounted for roughly a third of all house plan sales in 2025, and that dominance is carrying into 2026, but with a meaningful evolution. The stark black and white palette that defined the look for the better part of a decade is softening. What we are seeing now is a warmer, more layered interpretation of the style, with natural wood tones, warm grage bodies, and less aggressive contrast. The result feels more livable and less like a magazine set. Running alongside the modern farmhouse is what designers are calling the modern cottage. It blends the warmth and character of traditional cottage architecture with cleaner, more contemporary detailing. Think pitched roofs with interesting angles, mixed cladding that might combine board and batten with stone veneer, and large windows that feel generous without being industrial. It is a softer kind of modern, and it is resonating strongly in the Pacific Northwest, the South, and the Midwest. Then you have contemporary minimalism, which is having a strong moment in coastal markets and urban-adjacent neighborhoods. This style leans into flat or low-slope roof lines, floor-to-ceiling glass, clean horizontal lines, and a limited material palette. Seattle, San Francisco, and parts of North Carolina and Texas are seeing a lot of this. Black metal windows, exposed concrete elements, and warm wood cladding panels are hallmarks of the look. And finally, there is a growing interest in what some are calling material-confident design. This is less about a named style and more about an approach. It means using fewer materials on the facade, but choosing those materials thoughtfully and letting them do the visual heavy lifting. Instead of layering 5 different textures and hoping they work together, you pick 2 or 3 and execute them with precision. It is the difference between a home that looks designed and one that looks decorated. Material choices defining two-story facades in 2026. What goes on the walls matters as much as what holds. Them-up fiber cement siding is still the workhorse of the American exterior market, and for good reason. It is durable, cost-effective, holds paint exceptionally well, and can be manufactured to mimic wood, stucco, or even masonry. James Hardie products dominate this category, and in 2026, homeowners are using fiber cement in more creative ways, mixing vertical and horizontal orientations on the same facade to break up the surface and create visual rhythm on two-story homes. Natural wood and wood-look cladding is making a strong comeback, particularly as accent panels rather than full facade application. You see this most often on second-story overhangs, garage door surrounds, and entryway features. Cedar and pine remain popular in the Pacific Northwest and Mountain West. In other regions, where maintenance is a concern, engineered wood products like LP SmartSide are providing the warmth of wood with better resistance to moisture and insects. Stone veneer, used strategically, continues to anchor facades. On a two-story modern home, stone is typically applied to the base of the structure, the foundation zone and lower wall sections, which creates visual weight and grounds the home to its site. Ledger stone and thin-cut stacked stone profiles are currently more popular than heavier traditional stone because they read as modern without feeling cold. Metal panel accents, particularly Corten-style weathering steel and dark charcoal metal, are appearing on more American homes than ever before. These are typically used as accent cladding on feature walls, canopy soffits, or around garage door openings. They add industrial warmth and a distinctly contemporary character that is hard to achieve with other materials. Stucco remains dominant in the Southwest and Southern California markets. Modern stucco applications tend towards smoother finishes and are being paired with black steel windows and natural stone to achieve a clean, spa-like exterior aesthetic. The crisp white stucco and black trim combination is timeless in this region and shows no sign of fading. The color palette story for 2026, warmer, softer, and more grounded than what came before. This is one of the most interesting chapters in residential exterior design right now, because the color direction for 2026 is genuinely different from where things were 2 or 3 years ago. The cool grays, the blue slate tones, the icy whites that dominated 2021 through 2023 are giving way to something much warmer and more organic. The leading palette for two-story modern homes in 2026 is built around warm body tones, aged linen, clay, dusty sage, warm grage paired with deep crisp trim. Think charcoal, near black, or warm, dark brown. The front door then becomes the third note in the composition, not necessarily bold, but clearly intentional. A deep forest green, a muted brick red, or a warm cognac all work beautifully in this framework. Sage green is the fastest growing exterior color in both Europe and North America right now. It works because it reads as natural, calm, and elevated all at once. On a two-story modern home with white trim and wood accents, sage green siding produces a facade that feels genuinely sophisticated without being precious. When paired with natural stone at the base and black window frames, it is one of the most handsome combinations in contemporary residential design. Warm off-white and linen tones remain the single most popular exterior choice globally because of their versatility and heat reflectivity. On a two-story modern home, warm white bodies allow architectural details like deep eaves, shadow lines, and material transitions to do the visual work. It is a palette that photographs beautifully and ages gracefully. Charcoal and dark facades deserve their own conversation. They are no longer niche. Dark charcoal and slate finishes now rank in the top 5 for modern and contemporary homes across the country. The key is warmth. Blue-based charcoals can look harsh, particularly in winter light and in northern climates. The charcoals and near blacks that are working right now have brown or olive undertones, and they pair best with warm wood accents and natural stone to keep the palette from reading as cold or severe. Terracotta, clay, and earth tones are also gaining serious traction, particularly in the Southwest, the Mountain West, and anywhere with a strong indoor-outdoor lifestyle culture. These are colors that dialogue naturally with landscaping and desert or woodland settings. They are rich without being loud, and they give a two-story modern home a kind of settled permanence that lighter palettes sometimes lack. Window design and its role in the modern facade. Windows are not just openings, they are architecture. Onto two-story modern home, windows are one of the most powerful design tools available. Their size, proportion, framing, grouping, and relationship to the wall surface all communicate architectural intent. And in 2026, the direction is clear. Windows are getting bigger, bolder, and more deliberately positioned. The black window frame trend has remarkable staying power. Matte black steel and aluminum-clad windows read as modern in almost any context, and they provide the kind of sharp contrast against lighter facades that makes a home photographed dramatically. They are appearing on everything from contemporary minimalist builds to softened modern farmhouses to coastal cottages. Vertically proportioned windows on two-story facades create a sense of height and elegance. When stacked through both floors with alignment, they establish a rhythmic vertical grid that gives the facade order and intention. Many of the most admired modern American homes being built right now use this strategy. Tall windows on the main floors and second floor, aligned on the same axis, framed in black or dark bronze. Horizontal clerestory windows and ribbon windows are a hallmark of contemporary and mid-century influenced design. On a two-story home, a ribbon of windows at the second floor creates a strong horizontal datum that can make the home feel longer and lower, despite its height. This is an excellent technique for homes where the goal is to look more grounded and less imposing. Corner windows, where glazing wraps around a building corner without a structural post interrupting the view, are increasingly popular in contemporary builds. They are more expensive to execute, but the result is a facade that feels genuinely architectural, far removed from anything a production builder would deliver. Roof lines, overhangs, and architectural depth the details that separate good from great. The roofline of a two-story modern home does more work than most homeowners realize. It silhouettes the home against the sky, it creates shadow and depth on the facade below it, and it communicates architectural style more immediately than any other single element. Gabled forms remain the dominant roof shape in American residential architecture because they drain water efficiently and feel inherently domestic. But the way gables are being used in 2026 is more dynamic. Mixed gable configurations, where multiple gable forms intersect or overlap, create visual complexity and interest on a facade that would otherwise read as a simple box. Adding a shed roof element over a garage or entry creates a deliberate contrast that reads as designed rather than default. Deep eaves and extended overhangs are a detail that separates architecturally confident homes from builder-basic ones. Beyond aesthetics, deep overhangs protect windows and walls from rain and sun, reducing maintenance and improving energy performance. On a two-story modern home with a warm linen or sage exterior, a deep shadow line at the roofline creates a level of depth and dimension that transforms the entire composition. Low slope and flat roof sections are increasingly incorporated into otherwise pitched roof two-story homes as accent elements, typically over garages, covered entries, or single-story wings. This creates a dynamic mixed roofline that feels contemporary without committing to a fully flat aesthetic that can be polarizing in traditional neighborhoods. Garage doors, entries, and the ground floor experience. The ground floor is where you actually live the facade. The entry sequence of a two-story modern home, the approach, the front door, the garage door, the covered porch or portico, is where the facade becomes human-scaled. And this is where a lot of home exteriors either succeed in the final moments or fall flat. Garage doors on two-story modern homes are increasingly being treated as a design element rather than a functional afterthought. Flush panel garage doors in colors that match or intentionally contrast with the main body of the home read as thoughtfully considered. Stained wood finish garage doors create warmth and texture at the ground level that anchors the entire facade. Carriage-style doors work well on farmhouse and cottage-influenced designs. The direction in 2026 is away from raised panel white doors that do nothing for curb appeal. The front door is the exclamation point of the facade. On a two-story modern home, the entry should have a clear hierarchical relationship to everything around it. It needs to be readable from the street, which means scale, lighting, and framing all matter. A covered entry with a clean steel column or a simple wood-framed portico provides shelter and gives the entry a sense of arrival. The door color should be the one note in the palette that has the most personality. Deep green, matte black, warm cognac, brick red, all work well against the warmer body tones dominating 2026 palettes. Exterior lighting is one of the most underestimated facade upgrades available. Well-placed sconce lighting flanking the entry, concealed path lighting leading to the front door, and soffit lighting that washes the facade at night all transform how a home looks after dark. In 2026, matte black and brushed bronze fixtures are the dominant hardware choices, consistent with the overall palette direction. The detail most homeowners overlook. This is the one that changes everything. We promised you this at the start, and here it is. The single most overlooked facade detail on two-story modern American homes is what designers call the transition zone, the area between the first and second floor, where the materials, colors, or planes of the facade change. On many builder homes, this transition is a non-event. The siding just continues from bottom to top, without any articulation. But on architecturally considered homes, the first to second floor transition is handled with intention. A shift in material, perhaps board and batten on the upper floor over smooth fiber cement panels below. a shadow band or belt course that creates a clean horizontal line at the second floor datum, a change in color value between the two floors, slightly darker below for grounding and lighter above for lift. These are small decisions with outsized visual consequences. When you handle this transition well on a two-story facade, the home gains a quality of visual layering that reads as crafted and designed. When you ignore it, the home reads as tall and monotonous. It is genuinely one of the highest value per dollar design decisions available on a two-story modern home exterior, because it costs almost nothing to plan correctly but transforms the entire composition. The second part of this is shadow. Modern facades that look flat in photographs almost always look flat in person, because the detailing does not create shadow. Projecting wall sections, recessed window reveals, deep fascias, overhang upper floors. All of these create shadow, and shadow is what gives a facade three-dimensionality and life. If you are working with a builder or architect on your home's exterior, ask specifically how the design creates shadow. It is a question that reveals immediately whether the person across the table is thinking architecturally. Putting it all together, a truly beautiful two-story modern American home facade in 2026 is not about following every trend on this list. It is about choosing a direction with intention and executing it with consistency from the roofline to the front door hardware. It means selecting a material palette that respects the scale of a two-story home. It means treating your color palette as a three-part system, body, trim, and accent, and making each choice support the others. It means giving your windows genuine architectural purpose rather than treating them as holes punched in walls. And it means handling the details that most people ignore, the floor-to-floor transitions, the shadow lines, the entry sequence, with the same care you give to the big picture decisions. The homes that stop people in their tracks are rarely the most expensive ones. They are the ones where every visible decision was made on purpose. That is what this channel is here to help you do. If this video gave you something useful, please give it a like, because it genuinely helps this content reach more homeowners who need it. Drop your questions or your own facade ideas in the comments below. I read every single one. Share this video with someone who is building or renovating right now, and subscribe if you have not already, because we have more home design content coming that you do not want to miss. Thank you for watching to the very end, and I will see you in the next one.